Rhema Cooling provides prompt, reliable, energy-efficient comfort cooling solutions that reduce your operational costs, improve indoor air quality, and decrease respiratory disorders. As a result, we help you to improve your company's productivity and your family's comfort while adding value to your business and comfort to your home. We supply only environmentally friendly R410 air conditioners, as well as our innovative solar thermal inverter air conditioners and 100% solar air conditioners. We've got the hottest technology at the coolest prices. Feel free to contact us to find out about our preventative maintenance service and extend the lifespan of your investment. Give us a call today at 246-571-6885 or 246-263-9836 or email us at rhemacoolinginc@gmail.com for a solution that best caters to your need. Quality products, great after-sales service, and value for money await you at Rhema Cooling, where excellence takes precedence.